Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. In today's video, we will learn how to merge cells and how to create basic formulas for addition and subtraction. And then we will evaluate the formula using the formula evaluation tool. And the last point will be borderlines. Okay, so let's start. And to keep the video short, I'm using an already created Excel file for formula simulation. You can also find the file attached with this video for practice. Okay, so let's do it. Our first point is merge and center. That how will we merge two or more cells to make it single? Okay, so first we will insert and row here. How will we do it? Just click on the one and or wherever we want to insert the row or column. Just right click on it and here is an insert option there. Okay, we will just click it and suppose we are going to name this cell as total spend. Okay, now we have to merge all these cells. Okay, how will we do it? Just press the shift on the keyboard and use the arrow to move it further. Okay, and select it uh, up to where we want to merge the cells. Okay, and now go to the merging center, just click on it and here it is. See, all the cells merged into one. Okay, and if you want to give the color combinations here, how will we do it? We'll go here, click on the arrow and then select want to give it orange color. Okay, this one is for the background color and this is for the word color. Want to give it which one color? Let's keep it black only in bold so that it's visible clearly. Now our first point is clear. Now merge and center. Now we will move to our second point today, that is how to create formula for sum or how to do sum. Let's name this cell here as total. Okay, and we will make total here also. Now we have our first way how we can do it is like simple calculation, just equal to enter the values like 100 plus 50 plus 90 plus 200 plus 70 plus 90 plus 40. Okay, it's 640. But if we have to do this for these whole cells, okay, we have to repeat these things. So to keep it simple and easy, we will just use the sum formula, and every formula in Excel starts with equal to sign. We will use equal to. Now what we call the addition sum, so just type sum. Here it is. You can click on this with the mouse or just simply use the tab button on the keyboard. Okay, now what is this saying? Number 1 comma number 2 comma and so on and bracket clause. Okay, so we can do like we want to sum this, then comma this, then comma this, then this, then we will select these things. Okay, and in the last we will close the bracket and just enter it. Okay, one thing is this type we can do it. Now the second thing, to make it very easy and short, we'll just equal to sum, then tab, then we will select the whole cells until we want to add on things and then close the bracket. See B3 in here, this is a 2 points. Okay, and what is these 2 points tell? That The first one is B3 cell, like this one, and the second one is S3, this. So it is saying that starting from here and ending at here, we are taking all the cells to do the calculations. Okay, just hit enter now. It's there, and we are not going to put enter the formula again here. We want to do the same thing. What we will do, we will just go to this cell where we have entered the formula, copy it, or you can use the control plus C command on the keyboard and then paste it wherever you want. Here is one thing, paste spacer. This is we will define this later on. Okay, we can just simply click this. Okay, or you can use the control plus V command on the keyboard. Okay, see, these are the totals. Okay, and then one other way we can do this is we can use, there is a shortcut key for this, or you can find the shortcut here also in the toolbar in the ribbon section. That's auto sum. Just click on the auto sum and it will automatically capture all the cells above. Then this cell where we are entering this formula, and this cell must be a numeric format only. Okay, just hit enter. See, it's calculated now, and if we will copy this and paste it here, see, all of these are calculated now. Okay, this is how the formula of sum works like. So our second point is also clear now. Now we will move to the third point, that's subtract. How will we subtract it? So what we can do is just add this. The total is 394. So like if we want to, let's suppose in the starting of this week we have how much money we have, like money in it. That was 4,000. So we wanted to know that how much if you have the value that you have spent 3940 in the complete week. Now you want to have look on your pocket that how much savings you have now. So equal to this minus this. This is the simple way to create the formulas. Okay, this. Now our fourth point is formula evaluation. That how will we evaluate where the formula, that how this formula is working. Let's suppose just go to the cell where you have entered one formula. Okay, we are taking this cell. You can go to any cell where you have entered the formula. Okay, we are taking this cell. Just go to the formula tab. In formula tab, you can find the evaluate formula option. Okay, click on it. See, it's showing that you have entered this formula here. So just click on evaluate. Okay, let's make it more complex. I'm entering the formula here, just calculating the how much percentage of spend on grocery in this week. So how will we calculate this upon the total spend into 100? Okay, so it's 16.24% is we have done the spend on grocery in the whole week. So now just go to this cell, evaluate formula, and here is showing the formula that I have entered. Now just simply click on the evaluate. See, 640, then here 640 upon 3940 into 100. That is the our formula which we have done. Now first it divided that 640 upon 3940. Okay, that figure came, and then it multiplied it with 100. Okay, see, brackets are off now. See, so what is the theory here? The thing we have learned in the mathematics, and that Bourmois rule, that is applicable here also. First it is clearing the brackets, resolving the things inside the bracket, and then he is calculating like this. Okay, So here our point is clear now. So next one is borderlines. What is the use of borderlines? Like if you want to take print out of this, okay, let's just take the print. Go to file, print. See, there are no lines. It will be clumsy diagram, like right? Now, just go to this. Here is in the toolbar. There is a borderline type thing, borders thing. Okay, and here is different type of borders you can use. We'll use all borders and see their lines. Grids are visible now. So if you will print this, then see it's a previews like this. See, it's clearly visible now. Okay, that's the use of grid lines. So there you have it. We have explained about the margin center to creating of basic formulas of addition, subtraction, and then to evaluate that formula. How will we evaluate it? And borderlines. Okay, I hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching.